When a stovetop surface burner control knob is turned to the ignite position, the burner valve opens, allowing gas to flow through the burner tube to the venturi, where it combines with air to create the proper mixture necessary for combustion. At the same time, the spark ignition switch closes, allowing 120 volts of alternating current to travel to the spark module, which produces high-voltage pulses to each surface burner electrode. The pulses cause a spark to occur between the electrode and the grounded burner cap to ignite the gas and air mixture into a flame. A defective spark ignition switch may prevent voltage from reaching the spark module, resulting in the electrode not sparking and the burner not lighting. The spark switch can also short closed, resulting in continuous voltage being sent to the spark module. When this happens, the electrode will spark continuously. A short is usually caused by liquid getting into the switch. You should shut off the power to the appliance and give the switches time to dry out. If the electrodes are still sparking continuously, once power has been restored, one or more of the switches have probably permanently shorted. Spark ignition switches are located behind the front control panel or under the main top. Depending on the model, the appliance may use separate standalone switches or a switch harness assembly that connects all the spark switches together. If you suspect a spark ignition switch is faulty or shorted closed, you can use a multimeter to test the component for electrical continuity, a continuous electrical path present in the part. The switch or switches should be removed or isolated from the appliance for proper test results. Rotate the multimeter's range selection dial to the lowest setting for ohms of resistance. When testing a single switch, contact the black meter lead to one of the switch's terminals and the red meter lead to the other terminal. Rotate the switch to the on position. The meter display should indicate close to 0 ohms of resistance if the switch has continuity. If the switch tests negative for electrical continuity in the on position, you'll know the part is defective. If the switch tests positive for continuity in both the on and off positions, the switch has shorted closed and will need to be replaced. When testing a spark switch harness, contact the black meter lead to one of the harness's terminals and the red lead to the other harness terminal. At least one of the switches will need to be in the on position for continuity to be displayed. If the switch harness tests negative for continuity or tests positive when the switches are all in the off position, the entire assembly will need to be replaced.